In a few minutes. Please ensure that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Cabin crew, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened.
Five on a Sunday.
Mabuhay! Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly disembarkation, we ask everyone on board to remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We will commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance. Those with connecting flights will be given priority. If you need assistance, please approach our cabin crew and ground staff who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of the captain and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. Mabuhay! Kalalapag po lamang natin. Mangyaring manatiling nakaupo at nakakabit ang inyong seatbelts hanggang ang seatbelt sign ay hindi na nakailaw. Para sa maayos na pagbaba mula eroplano, manatili lamang sa inyong mga upuan at hintayin ang mga tagubilin para sa inyong maayos na paglabas. Sa sandaling tayo ay mabigyan ng pahintulot, ating sisimulan ang pagbaba mula sa eroplano. Bibigyang prioridad ang mga pasaherong may connecting flights. Kung kayo ay nangangailangan ng tulong, lumapit lamang sa inyong mga cabin crew at ground staff. Muli, maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik sa Philippine Airlines.
On behalf of Captain Perdido with First Officer Galicia and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. If you have onboard connection on PAL flights, please proceed to the transfer desk. Passengers taking PAL flights departing from NAIA Terminal 1 may avail of our free shuttle service. Our ground personnel will be happy to assist you. We would like to remind everyone to please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened while waiting for your roll numbers to be called for deplaning. Muli manatiling nakaupo at nakakabit ang seatbelt hanggang ang fasten seatbelt sign ay hindi na nakailaw at hintayin matawag ang inyong roll number para sa maayos na pagbaba. On behalf of the management, staff, and crew, we apologize for the inconvenience this delay may have caused you. In spite of this, we hope we have given you a safe and comfortable flight. Once again, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. May you have a safe and pleasant stay here in Manila. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po.